Okay, so we are here at the park. Kita mo yan, guys. So this is the big park here in Tirana, Albania. So here they are. There's a lot of people here. A lot of people. Oh, there's a big part of people are like because like summer already. So that's why.
Hindi pala maligo dyan, no?
So we went to church just now, and then the boys, that Michael, are working there. We are here at the park now. So here in Tirana. Tirana is the capital of Albania. So there's a big park here.
Dito sa fountain, doon tayo mag-picture tayo doon, no?
Saan?
Turuan mo ako sa fountain, tapos ipasa mo sa akin, te. Ikaw muna.
So still have the restaurants from up. And so still have the restaurants from up there. We have also the fountain here. So there's Teresa.